Hi, my name is Sakshi Karle. I am second year student in a BBA HFM. Today's topic name is Financial Management and chapter name is Introduction to the Financial Management. My roll number is 16.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will delve in the world of financial management. It's critical aspect of running any business effectively. Let's begin. Meaning, scope, and importance. Financial management involves managing a company's finance to achieve its objective. It has broad scope covering everything from budgeting to investment decision, and it's crucial for business success. Think of it as a global map of company's financial journey. Function of financial management. Now let's explore function of financial management. This can be categorized into long term and short term function. Long term functions are like planning a chess game, and short term functions are like keeping an eyes on clock. Long term functions include capital budgeting and financial decision. This is where we think major investment and the strategy for growth. Just like in a chess, you play your moves from long game. Short-term functions. On a flip side, short-term function involve managing working capital effectively, like keeping your pieces moving in a game of chess to win battle. It's all about managing your immediate resources. Role and function of financial manager. The financial manager play crucial role in the financial management. They are like the conductor of orchestra overseeing various financial activities. Goal of firm. Now let's talk about goal of firm. There are primarily two: profit maximization and wealth maximization. Picture them as a two sides of coins. Profit maximization. Profit maximization is a goal many business chase. It's like playing stock market, aiming to increase revenue and the reduce cost to achieve a higher profit. Wealth maximization. Wealth maximization, on the other hand, is about creating lasting value of shareholders. It's like building your wealth portfolio steadily over time, considering the long game. Conclusion. In conclusion, financial management is the compass that the guide a business's financial journey. It's involve both long-term and short-term strategies, all led by finance manager, and the ultimate goal are either to